You need the type of protection a prime minister needs.
I'm listening.
As we speak, he's trying to convince people that you managed to leave the institution where you were confined without proper authority or any documentation, which will place you in a position of permanent doubt.
So that makes sense. That's probably why the board hasn't gotten back to me as yet, because he's singing in their ears.
Your performance in your portfolio precedes you. There's no argument as to your capabilities. Matter of fact, you're underused. If there can be paperwork to prove that Daly is manufacturing this doubt and problems he's trying to put in your way, all of that would disappear. Matter of fact, I go further. Your past performance overqualifies you for what you're trying to get back. May I humbly suggest that what we're looking for is president of the party.
I'm loving the process and the method that you're putting forward. Party president, prime minister. I can see myself doing that. But what can you do for me to make the nuisance go away?
I won't have to make the nuisance go away. As we speak, all I have to do is open my safe, and abracadabra, there is a document, signed, sealed, and delivered. Think on it. We not only elevate you to your true potential, we paint Daly in a corner as either a misinformed scoundrel or a mischief maker. Now, I can't tell you what to do, Mr. Prime Minister.
I like the fact that we're both aligned. And it sounds like a good plan and a beautiful dream. But the truth of the matter is that we have a major obstacle. And our esteemed minister has been pushing it, that this is an election year. So there's no way that the party would want to oust the president at this point.
I'm sorry to use the word oust. I was hoping more for a voluntary departure.
This sounds like an assignment.
Politics is a very fickle and untidy beast. There is always dirt. And I don't know why, but something keeps whispering in my ears that you might have the location of dust. And memories don't leave like people do.
I now understand my assignment. I'll walk with my vacuum to find all the dust mites.
Minister, or in due course, Mr. President, this is not a frivolous endeavor. This is for the good of the country. And we're going to have to do what we have to do to get what we need done. First and foremost, I need back my laptop, and anything you can do to ensure that, we'll be eternally grateful. Meantime, you keep an eye on Mr. Daly. I want to know everything there is to know about him. between our both endeavors, that should be not too hard to do. I needed to understand something. This is not one of them old nursery rhyme business about finger mash no cry or play with your play. We're not playing. You know what you want, and I know what I need. See those crutches? Practice not to be with them for too long. Someone else may need them very shortly.
Daily, for the good of the country, I have to do what I have to do. Your day is numbered.